Hi, today I'm reviewing Lenovo TAB P11 Plus and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then tap to the display section. After that click to wallpaper and here we can see just the wallpapers from our device, just gallery default ones or the Google photos. Also we can use photos from this is the Google Drive photos. Let's go back and here we can click to Bing wallpapers, so we can use here the online wallpapers, but to do that we should be that we are connected to the internet. So let's go back and let's use the default wallpaper, for example this one. Click to the right upper corner to set wallpaper, and now let's lock our device. And we just can see that we successfully changed it. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.